Okay, so I'm going to show you using our course here. If I were to make an assignment and I wanted to have my students submit a Google Doc, I would put in my first loss and submission. It's kind of a lengthy title, but we'll keep it for this practice assignment. And I would assign points, put it in my assignment group, and then the submission type you would put would be file uploads and online. And then you would just go ahead and save and publish. When we go to the student view now, I can go to assignments as a student. I would click in here. I would go to submit the assignment, and then you can click on the Google Drive tab. The first time students do this, they'll need to authorize their Google Drive, and then they can go ahead and submit the assignment through there. You can't see it because I am masquerading as the student view right now, so it is not really what it's going to look like, but you get the idea of that will be how they would submit their Google Doc. And then you can go in, it's really nice, you can go through SpeedGrader and then just really easily see all the submissions without having to click any additional links and open things in different windows. A really nice way to integrate Google into Canvas.